Good morning. Welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. To join my WhatsApp group, I am charging 500 rupees per month. You will get advanced prediction details as well as calls in the group. And if you like my video and if you like my research, if you want to support my research, you can donate me using this Google Pay and Phone Pay and Paytm. There are some few supporters who are donating, and it is encouraging me to do more and more. And if you want to join, also you can join, because that is the reason I have only asking 500 rupees for a month, because it is a very low price, because you can able to get this particular payment within a day if you get the profit in the options. If you go and check my YouTube channel, you can know how we are trading. And let's go to the review of my prediction as well as the calls group. Today market ended up in the positive 15,098.40, 142.20 points in the positive, 0.95% in the positive, opened around 15,049.90, which is well above the previous closing, and it is on the volatile level 1 above. It has opened, so clearly it is open at the bullish level, and the market low is around 14,925.45 and 15,126.85 is the high. And let's go to my prediction review. There are some interesting thing happened today, because our data, it is clearly shown the volatile market. That is what happened today. It has gone huge volatile today. It has opened in the gap up, and then it has started to fall down heavily, and then from that it has raised heavily. And if you check my prediction in the previous day about this day, we clearly mentioned that these two levels are indicating the volatile market because of the difference of 1 point, which means it is going to go up and down. But the other two weightages indicating on the negative side, and absolute frequency indicating on the positive side, which means 50-50. So that is the reason. So the market has opened well above the level which is on the bullish side. It started to fall down, but somehow the low is not broken the bullish stop loss. So I will explain you how it has moved today. The volatile level, we know that anything opens above the volatile level 1, it is clearly on the bullish zone, and the extreme bullish, which is the stop loss of 14,948. But today's low, that extremely bullish stop loss got it, but the bullish stop loss is not got it. That is the difference. Otherwise today it would have hit our pending target of 15,320.42. That particular target today would have got it, but today the low, the extreme bullish stop loss, which is 14,948.72, got it. That is the reason it is not gone extremely bullish, because we know that the market has opened above that level, means the extremely bullish is still intact with if the stop loss is not got it. But today the stop loss has got it on the extreme side, but the normal bullish stop loss, which we know that support level 1. So 14,923.7. So the stop loss 77. So that stop loss is not got it, because minus 10 points for the buying. So 14,923.77, exactly within the 3-point range. As I always tell, 3-point range or the minus 10 point stop loss range for the buying. If it is selling, means plus 10 points stop loss range. So it is exactly matched that level, and that is the reason the market has started rapidly fast from that particular low and closed in the positive. So exactly it has required almost 30 points from the low and closed 170 points. From that low it has 170 points movement, but it would have been even more bullish if the overall leverage stop loss has not got it. And let's go to my prediction, what all the calls given in the group. And as you know that we know these levels are indicating volatile, but these two, one is indicating negative, one is indicating positive, which means 50-50. So that is the reason I ask my clients to keep both options in hand always if this kind of market, otherwise you can't able to make money. And this is where the bullish stop loss. So this level is not got it, that is the reason market has recovered from that particular level almost 170 points. Anyone would have saw my video, they would have kept this level as a stop loss and go for a buy. So if the stop loss is not got, it means they would have gained 170 points in the future. You clearly keep this stop loss on the spot level. You didn't have to keep stop loss in the future level, you need to keep stop loss in the spot level. And the extreme bullish is having the difference of 15 points, that level has got it. Otherwise today it would have been hit the pending target, as I told earlier. 15,320.42 is pending target on the positive side. I think tomorrow this positive target might have got it, will get it at 15,320, I believe, because of the US markets are up around 4%, and the exchange Nifty is also indicating our Nifty is going to open somewhere in the gap up. So let's see how it is going to be. And in the beginning the market has opened 137 points in the, SGX Nifty is shown 137 points in the gap up. So our zone, exactly, that is what the pre-market also opened. We kept this particular option for the other reason, because we didn't exit on that particular. I'll show you why. This one is a combination for 14,450 as well as 15,550. This particular 14,450 you exit somewhere around 21 to 24 you exited. So that is the reason I asked to not to exit this particular, because if the market is going to hit our 15,320 target, then we would have gained that. So that is the reason I asked to kept it, because we recovered that particular 10 to 11 rupees money in this 14,450 put option itself. So that is the reason I still asking to, if it is goes somewhere around 20 to 40, then only you can exit. But today it was not moved that much, but still I given a call today to buy these two 14,700 put option as well as 15,400 call option for somewhere around 10 to 11. So the time it was traded around 13-12. So normally if the calls are given in this scenario, it will be you have to buy in between 10 to 12. This is the method for our group. So the levels, if there are given, so from this particular level 1 or 2 points maximum, if anyone wants to buy, they can buy it adding 1 rupee or 2 rupee maximum. On the lesser side 1 rupee or 2 rupee. So on that particular live market, you need not, for example, if it is trading 13 rupees, you can buy, because of it comes under 1 rupee and 2 rupee range. So but it is trading at 13, but you can't keep it at 11. This is not advisable. At that particular point of time, the rule is that if you join in my group, means these are all the rule we are following. But the swings are not there, so I asked to exit the safe traders to exit even in the loss. Today we would the loss around 500 to 700, but still high risk traders I wanted to keep it, because of we can carry forward, or the once the market is moving that rapidly fast on the positive side or downside, we can exit. So full risk traders only asked to hold. Uh, Full risk, tomorrow we can exit. Otherwise, today if it is gives an exit, we can exit. Today it has given an exit. And this is the one more call which I given for 18th March, 42 to 55 both put together, it will come somewhere around 98 to 99. So almost 1 week you need to wait. 18th March, if it is gives a profit today itself, you can give even 1000 2000. It is according to the customer risk appetite. And exactly that particular put option has given an exit 90 to 22 for the this particular combination. This 14,700, it has given an exit of 19 to 22 today. These are all the customers who booked a profit. So he given the screenshot. These two calls he has exited well before given. It is somewhere around 200 rupees loss, but that particular loss he has recovered in this option 14,000. But he didn't want to take a risk up to F&O closing. That is the good method. Every day we are getting some minimum profit of 1000 rupees. As a small trader, it is always good. So I always tell, if you are making profit of more than 1000 rupees, because you are going to invest somewhere around 6000 to 7000 or 8000 rupees, so if you are getting 25% of it, then it is a very good trade, at least minimum. And this is the idea which given for the BANKNIFTY market. It is also indicating 50% of the market is on the bullish side and remaining volatile. So it is going to be a extremely bullish market. At that particular point of time, one more customer is traded on his own, that is making some profit. I don't know whether he booked or not. At particular point of time, he has sent a screenshot of the profit size, because we didn't given those calls to buy. It is his own trade. And this is the volatile data, these two indicating volatile and these two indicating bullish. So 50% chances are on the bullish with the volatile. So the market is clearly showing that the market might have opened above the volatile level 1 zone, and the SGC Nifty showing that around 100 points in the gap up. So if it is open like that, it might have the chances to go on to reach that 15,315. If it is breaking those levels, then all we need to watch out is that 15,320.42 is our pending target. Here if we take this stop loss, adding 10 points, 15,325.82, this level is not breaking, means market having the chances to fall down on the same day or in the rest of the week. Why? Because if it is breaking this 15,325.82, I'll once again repeat it, this level 15,325.82 is breaking on Wednesday, then we have the next target is getting open, which is 15,453.97. So it should not break this particular level. If it is breaking, then this above level will get open for the target on the positive side. So all we need to keep this particular level as a stop loss and trade for the next week. So this is the crucial level 15,325.82, because we have the target 15,320. So this particular level is the key. So if it is opens like that, means we know the stop loss for the extreme bullish, which is 15,083.87, and the extreme bullish anything opened above the volatile level. So as per the exchange Nifty, it is showing like that with the stop loss of this extreme bullish level happen. So it will go and break almost 200 points tomorrow. And the pre-market open also indicating pre-market open. This Parwell is also indicating that anything probably is above 15,023 is activating the positive target 1, positive target 2, and positive target 3, which is 15,330. So minimum 220 to 230 points up is possible on Wednesday. That is what it shows. And the extreme bullish, if anything opens above this level, the extreme bullish stop loss, anything opens even in a point positive, the normal stop loss. So there is no much difference between those two, only 9 points roughly. And these are all the bearish market. Anything opens below that level, this is the extreme bearish stop loss. Anything open negative, this is the bearish market stop loss. So this is extreme bearish, this is bearish market stop loss. So as we know, the pending target, which is 15,320.42, is going to get hit on Wednesday. So once it is getting hit, and that key level which I pointed out, 15,325.82, is the notable point. If this particular point is not getting hit, then the market is having chances to fall down from that level to 14,350. I feel like I have already saw this kind of a thing, deja vu kind of thing. So let's see how it is going to happen. I feel like the market is going to hit, and then after that heavy fall and crash is going to happen like that. I don't know exactly what is going to happen. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Wednesday. It is not on that particular Wednesday it is going to fall, but after reaching that 15,325.82, I feel like the market is getting hit and move something very fast, and then the rest of the day or maybe the coming week there is going to be a huge crash. That is kind of feeling I'm getting. I'm not too sure, but while taking this video, while writing those particular level, I'm getting that feeling. I don't know what that is indicating. I'm just expressing my feelings. So let's see how the market is going to give us on the coming week, and then I mean what kind of a day is going to be on Wednesday. Let's see. Thank you.